Let's see. Oh yeah, it's still here. Yep. Guys, I want y'all to see something. Y'all see the wheels on this thing? It looks so much nicer. It's ready for the used car world. Yeah, those look new. The wheels look new. The tires look new. So this will sell a whole lot quicker than that freaking Chevrolet Silverado that happens to be still over there. Matter of fact, I think I already uploaded that video, the comparison. Yes. Guys, now for those, I haven't looked at the comments. For those dudes that chose this Chevrolet Silverado 4x4 over this Dodge Ram 1500, you want to go back on your word now? You want to go back and change your choices? I think that pretty much put the truck over the edge. That pretty much pushed the Dodge Ram over the edge, guys. This don't look nearly as good as this. Okay, matter of fact, I'm going to look at the comments here in a second. I want to see who chose this. Look at this. I mean, it's a nice truck, and you might have other reasons for choosing this over that. But now that they got, the last time I did this little comparison, wasn't no wheels on it. They just had it up in the air, but he's done. I guess they ordered some wheels for. Look at this beauty. And guys, this is a 4x4. Remember I went under of it and it had a transfer case? Yes, it is a 4x4. But this is pretty much a done deal. I was already choosing this anyway. I'm just really a super done deal now that it has these wheels on it. So let's go into the used car lot. Look, it even got the liner in it for the rear. I mean, look at that. Who would choose that over this? I'll tell you who. A Chevrolet guy. There's nothing wrong with being a Chevrolet guy. It's just that bothers me. I can't do the wheels. I don't know who's quality-wise. I don't know. I have no, knowledge or experience on this. Hey, is this bumper? But I think they have some work on this to do before they put this on the lot. But they both going to the used car lot. I think somebody traded this Renegade in. So you trade a Jeep in for another Jeep? I guess so. I don't know, but this is nice. I wonder what they get, a bigger Jeep? I don't think these are using the CVT anymore. Remember some of our older model Jeeps, the Patriots, the Compass. A lot of our older model Jeeps was using the CVT. I think these newer ones have let's see, it has, yes, that's the ZF 9-speed transmission, guys. So I think we're pretty much done with the CVT unit, okay? It was turned out to be a bad experiment. Guys, let me show y'all something. Y'all see that? That is perfectly good connection, okay? Look, that is the new, guys, we're living in new age now. Back in the day, if you loosen that up, if you was able to turn that connection like that, I would swear that is terrible bad connection. This is new technology, and guys, I'm talking about A1 connection, guys. Do you see this? This is the negative battery post. Okay, I had a customer call me freaking out about this, and because I hadn't played with one yet, I wasn't understanding what she was saying. But yeah, it's just turned. It's just wobble. It's not supposed to do that, is it? Tighten it up. I said, ladies, clicks all the way down, but it still turns. It's locked in place. This is the latch. So guys, do not panic, okay? I guess the most important thing is the battery terminal being tight to the battery post, okay? From this to this, making their own connection inside. The positive terminal is not like that. Okay, this will freak somebody out that's never that has never seen one. See. All right. Yes, this is pretty unique, guys. All right, I'm done. Yeah, it's typical 2.4 multi-air engine, guys. No big deal. So I'm not sure what they traded it in on, and not really concerned at the moment. But look at that. So guys, I'm out of here. Let me go this way. All right, let me go back this way. All right, guys, let's go this way. Whoa. Caravan, guys. Hey, this must be a ticker. This must be one of those we call tear down time. We got to tear it down to find out exactly what it is. I wonder what he found. Yeah, only reason why you remove the valve cover and all of that is you testing. In fact, I heard this came in, was making a ticking sound. So, guys, this is the best way to give an accurate diagnosis. Yes, you can guess at it. Sometimes you can get away with just the rock on, but you could have cam lobe issues. In fact, I wonder if he had cam lobe issues. You can just look at, you're gonna be able to see all the lobes because some of them are gonna be turned upside down. Let me see if I can see any. Uh-oh. I see some grooves right here, guys. Let's see some. Oh, that's it. Yeah, that's the lobe. See that right there, guys? If this is my car, it's just chewed up on the outer edges, but the centerpiece lobe, which is really what matters, is still there, guys. But this rock on, yep, that's a ticking noise, and you can tell he still have the cams bolted down, so nothing has been loosened. This is what we do call a teardown time, guys. Now I can almost suspect, I almost can go look at this estimate and tell I'm gonna see a bank 1 intake camshaft and likely all rock arms, because they're starting to do all of them now. That's if it's not warranty. If it's warranty, we're only allowed to fix what's broken. Now I only felt this one because I saw this scratch right here, but it all depends, guys. So that is, y'all see the intake is covered, guys, but the heads are not. So I mean, golly, man, give me a break. Like, this is important, but so is this. So all you guys that's really strung out on, oh my God, cover that intake, I can't bear to watch. I had one guy tell me, I clicked off your video because I saw you had that intake open. And I literally had the valve covers off doing a job like this. I was like, buddy, I understand your position, but if you're gonna be that harsh on, or you're gonna criticize for that, you know, you might as well criticize for the valve cover is off. This is just as important as this. You know, you can drop some down in there and not even know it. Or you can drop some down in there and not even know it. Which, I mean, so you're picking and choosing your poison. I don't know, I'm just tripping, guys, but there's people out there like that. Really, he told me I clicked off your video when I saw you working on that car with I had nothing covering this. And guys, I'm the first one to tell you, yes, you should cover the intake manifold when you're working on a car. But, you know, at times we get reckless, okay? I'm human just like anybody else, and sometimes I forget. Yes, you should do that. It's just not all the time I do it, because, and I definitely should not be doing it when I'm filming. That's the last thing you want on camera. So, I mean, it depends on how you look at it, guys. I explained to him, you know, wasn't no point in me apologizing. There's nothing to apologize for. I just didn't have it covered, and I should have it covered. It's as simple as that. So I wasn't sure what he wanted by the comment. I wasn't sure why he made the comment. He could have merely clicked off without even telling me. You know what I'm saying? He could have just did it. But no, some people got to make sure you understand their position. I don't know. All right, that's the typical. There's no big deal. Guys, let's go back here. Because I saw, do y'all remember that 1500, that black 1500 that